What the fuck is up, buds? It is Fly High FPV and I am in a great mood. It's Friday. Happy Fly Day, everybody. I want y'all to get over to Bot Grinder's live stream and check it out. And I want you to know that I am giving away a ton of LEDs tonight. All you gotta do is order any frame on the website, and I'm gonna toss in a free meter of single color LEDs. All you gotta do is leave me a note on the order. Tell me what color and what voltage you want. I got all the colors, and the voltages go from 6S, 3 to 4S, or 5 volt for your 1S. Hit me up, leave a note, and I got you, bro. All you got to do is order a frame anytime during Bot Grinder stream tonight, and you will be eligible for free LEDs. If you forget to leave a note, I will try to message you before I ship them out. But any frame, oh yeah, and just the reason for the celebration is that I've got so many Grinderinos. I love my Grinderino. I built one this month and I've been having a shit ton of fun flying this thing. So I just ordered 40 more. They're here today. I got arms, I got demi-bots, I got demi-bot arms, I got all the prints. I got you. Let's see it, boys. FlyHighFPV.com. Come and get your free LEDs. Thanks, Bot Grinder.